So we're cutting NASA, the proposal is, by more than we ramped down NASA after we ended the moon program.
So we ended the moon program, we had a contraction.
Yes.
And now what we have is a contraction that is greater than that.
It's like falling off a cliff.
Like falling off a cliff.
But instead of ending a moon program...
Proposed.
Well, proposed, but instead of ending a moon program, we're nominally starting one up. That's the opposite,
That's even worse.
It seems like a bad idea, right?
Really,
yeah. And then of that big cut, half of it's directed at science.
Half of the cut is directed at science.
Yeah,
so we then have to, for the listener who's excited about space policy, who isn't, we have to distinguish between human spaceflight and what would be called scientific exploration.
Yeah.
Is that accurate?
Yeah, NASA science is anything motivated by science that doesn't have humans involved in the process in space, right? They obviously do all the science here on Earth, but this is things like space telescopes, like Hubble.
Right.
These are things like Mars rovers. These are things like New Horizons, the probe that's out beyond Pluto right now.
all the stuff we love.
Yeah, well, and Earth observation satellites.
Which is even more important.
So
Helpful to know.
speaking of Earth observation satellites, how much of these proposed cuts has to do with what I would call Earth science?
It would cut Earth science by more than half.
And for me, what is Earth science?
Yes.
So this is when you put a science mission up in space and you just point it back down. And so you're observing things like water distributions, gravity anomalies on Earth, weather, large-scale climate, carbon monitoring, all the things that kind of give us the sense of how our dynamic planet evolves and our system works.